po. Simple lang natin yung tanong. Kasi kanina po doon sa press con ng Buwan Batangas, parang naitanong po ito kay Governor Dilma Santos. Tanong ko lang din sa inyo. Sabi kasi ni Governor na parang part of her platform at saka yung isa na in-onboard niya si Vice Gov Luis is because yung energy na yun and social media. Pasok ka na lang po, yun rin naman kasi kami galing. Sa inyo po pangampanya at saka pag-deliver ng mensahe. Kasi ngayon, hindi lang national celebrity na kayo, international celebrity na kayo. Yung Batangas, 2nd District. So moving forward po sa inyong marami pang taon na gagampanan ang role ng Congresswoman para sa 2nd District ng Batangas, paano niyo po nakikita ang role ng social media para sa pagpapakalat ng inyong mensahe?
Alam po niyo, mahirap maging Congresswoman. Dalawa ang kailangan mong alagaan. One is your engagement in the Congress, where you are anticipated to engage in legislation, and not only in legislation but also in investigations similar to Quadcom. Now the question is, with all your obligations in the district, we have 6 municipalities to take care of, and that is equivalent to 170 barangays. Beatrix, paano mo ba nagagawa yun? Diba? Basta my best. To the best way that I can, I reach out to all the people of Batangas 2nd District. That is from Friday to Sunday. But since the quad started, I started dedicating Mondays to Thursdays in my engagements in Congress. That includes legislation and all the investigations, not only in Quadcom. Ang akin lang pong mensahe sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan, kulang po ang oras ni Beatrix. Kulang po ang katawan ni Beatrix. But I hope you realize, limitado man ang kakayanan ko, I give my very best to serve the people of Batangas 2nd District. As soon as I arrive here on Thursdays or Fridays, hindi na po tumitigil si Beatrix. Dire-diretso in moving around the entire 6 municipalities of Batangas 2nd District. I don't mind kahit madaling araw na ako umuwi. Ang mahalaga, maabot ko lahat ng aking mga kababayan. Sometimes I call myself Cinderella. Why? I never go home before 12 midnight. Because 12 midnight is my earliest time to go home. Bagaman po hindi ko masapa ang dami ng ating pangangailangan dito sa atin, I hope you feel and realize ginagawa ni Beatrix ang lahat upang kayo ay mapaglingkuran. At maraming salamat sa social media. Maraming salamat sa vloggers because you extended and expanded my capacity to reach out to the people not only from Batangas 2nd District but from across the world. Dahil po sa social media, dahil sa ating Facebook page, dahil sa TikTok, Instagram, at dahil sa mga kaibigan nating vloggers, naabot ni Beatrix hanggang sa kaduun-duunan ng ating mga kababayan, even people who lives outside Batangas 2nd District. Kaya let me commend all the vloggers and the social media personnel na nagiging daan upang lumawak ang horizon ni Beatrix in reaching out to Filipino people. Maraming salamat po.
Happy birthday, And then, meron ako dalawang tanong. Unang-una, marami ho kami mga subscribers. Kaya nga sabi, mahirap maging congresswoman. Pero sa tawag ng tungkulin, alam niyo po ba, anong masasabi niyo? Yung mga netizens, hindi lang ng Batangas, ng buong Pilipinas and abroad, gusto nila makitang senadora. Ano po ang masasabi niyo?
Tinanong sa akin kanina yan, and I was sitting beside Secretary Ralph Recto. speaking, ang sabi ko, I have not accomplished even a pinch of what Secretary Recto has accomplished already. We know for a fact that Secretary Ralph is one of the great great senators during his time in Senate. Isa sa pinakamagaling na senador, no? But I want to state my line. Gusto ko munang gumaling dito sa atin. Sapagkat anong igagaling ko sa labas kung hindi naman ako magaling dito sa atin, no? And I wish to state for the record as well, kahit po marami kayong nakikitang comments sa social media, Congresswoman, tumakbo po yung senador, coming from the different provinces of the Philippines. Ako po'y masaya na. I am so fulfilled serving as Congresswoman of Batangas 2nd District. Maraming salamat po.
Ang ikalawang katanungan ko po sa mga taga 2nd District. Papayag pa kayo sa 2028, ipahiram niyo naman siya sa bansang Pilipinas. So, sumagot na ang 2nd District. Anong masasabi niyo for 2028?
Si Beatrix Susamanga ay manibalang pa. Hayaan niyong mahinog muna. Time will decide if we are due to run for senator in the future. No? Of course, it is always a humbling moment na makarinig na ikaw ay hinihiling tumakbong senador. Pero I know in myself, and humbly speaking, kulang ang aking kaalaman, kulang ang aking karanasan para aking paglakas ng loob ang pagtakbo bilang senador ng ating bansang Pilipinas. Hayaan nyo na si Beatrix ay mahinog muna dito sa atin. Time will decide if we are meant to run for a higher position. Okay?